Hi there, welcome back to the CISSP Success Toolkit. And here is the TOTD for the day. Let's go with TOTD number 121. Today question is a very simple one. Go ahead, uh, pause this particular video, go for a break for I think 45 seconds, and I'm going to explain you. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the question itself, right? A company uses a system that stores and manages user passwords in a secure vault. Ensuring that passwords are not exposed in plain text, what type of system is primarily responsible for this password security? So basically, the intent is what should be done to find out the right tool which can actually manage your passwords. Here are the options. Number A, key management system. So a key management system is a kind of software system, or maybe it can also be cloud-based system, which is helping to manage the keys, the encryption keys, throughout its entire life cycle, from key generation to key provisioning to key rotation and key destruction as well, throughout the entire life cycle. Many companies, they go for KMS, key management system, to manage the keys securely, because that is where a lot of the things are happening automatically, so you don't need to worry about manually creating the keys and all, which is kind of not a very secure method to do that. So that's an option A. Option B is identity and access management system. These identity and access management systems are kind of a holistic solution, which basically are helping you to manage the identities throughout the life cycle of the identity. Good example can be your Active Directory, Okta, SailPoint, and so many other solutions, right? You can implement password managers as option C, right? These are the kind of vaults or kind of software based solution which is used for managing the passwords. Now, does it mean that the identity and access management system, your Active Directory, does not manage password? Yes, they do. But when you want to have additional layer of security when it comes to password, right? uh, let's say um, let's say very common example, right? You might be using Google Chrome or maybe a Edge browser, right? In that also we have a password manager. If you click on yes, it will store the password and it will store it securely. Right? How come it is storing it securely means, when you click on yes, it encrypts your password with another key and then only it stores the password. So more in situations where, example, your company is into manage solutions, you are handling customer data, all of those kind of identities, you can go through password manager management solution, which are also enterprise level solutions as well, which can actually in a very secure way, they can manage your password, they can rotate your passwords. And especially when it comes to privilege access management, tools like CyberArk and those kind of solutions, they play a very important role, because they are able to rotate your password as per the configuration, right? Maybe even after every use also you can actually rotate your passwords. So that is the main role of password, and I think the question is asking for the same thing, because what type of system is primarily responsible for these password security? So it's a good recommendation to use password managers in companies, just to have an additional layer of security. Then the option number 4, that is token based authentication systems. These are the kind of authentication system, once you get authenticated to the system, it will generate a token for you, and then the token will be used for all, the entire access, right? Once you get authenticated, you have to use the token with other systems as well. For example, in Kerberos, right, once you get authenticated with your Active Directory, you get a TGT, right? And based on that TGT, you get service tickets and whatever, like whenever you want to have that. We will understand more about Kerberos in some other slide, but I think for today it's enough. I think this is a good concept clearing slide which will help you in your CISSP exam. So thank you very much for joining me. Jai Hind, and I will see you tomorrow.